Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we format the row height in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here we have a simple project and suppose we wanna just change the row height. Here is the project 1, project 2, project 3 and project 4 and so on. So as you can see guys, this project 3 is wider than all the cells or the rows. So what we would do is we would just select the row or the cell in the any row, and after selecting just click on home, and in this cell group you will see the format, and here you will see row height. Here you can type whatever you want, like it's 19.5 but I want to just decrease it, then I would just enter 15 and OK. As you can see guys, it's taken automatically and it's done. Now the second option is the shortcuts. How can we use the shortcuts? Just select the row with a cursor, or you can just use your keyboard arrow after you don't have the mouse. Okay, if you don't have the mouse, just use your keyboard arrow and then press Alt, then press O, then R, then E and enter whatever you want, like I'm 1915, and then OK, and it's done. Similarly, you can select the multiple of column and then Alt, then O, then R, E and enter the height, like I'm entering 17 and then OK. As you can see the changes guys. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.